Starting on a
Oh,
good note, good evening, everyone. I welcome all for this wonderful session on mudras which unlock our energy. I believe one who cannot walk or one who cannot do their activities on their own, but at least they can move their hands and do some mudras to balance their energies or chakras. So, on that note, I would like to begin this satsang today with our school prayer. Here it is. O hidden life, vibrant in every atom, O hidden light, shining in every creature, O hidden love, embracing all in oneness, may each who feels himself as one with thee know he is also one with every other. Thank you. And here I take an opportunity to welcome our speaker, Dr. Chandana Pradeep, and this is her second session where her introduction goes like this. She is a founder of Tapas Health and Wellness Center, Yoga and Reiki Master. She believes in promoting holistic lifestyle for the betterment of mankind through integrated yogic approach across all ages. She has conducted workshops on yoga, pranayama, and addressing psychosomatic and chronic disorders with yogic practices at schools, colleges, skill development centers, NGOs. She is a certified Hatha Yoga practitioner, certified mudra therapist, certified yagna practitioners, certified chakra meditation trainer. She has received the prestigious Mother Teresa National Award at the National Conference 2022 Bengaluru, Transdisciplinary Excellence Award at International Conference on Ancient Medical Sciences and Technology, Varshada Kannadiga Award 2022. She has organized drugless therapy stall on mudras, energy healing positions at Global Yoga Summit 2022. Conducted workshop on common yoga protocol as a part of International Day of Yoga. So I hereby take this opportunity to welcome you, ma'am, and hand over the platform to you. Thank you so much.
thank you, Swati Aure. Thank you so much. Okay, so it is Tapas Health and Wellness Foundation. It's not center, it is foundation. So,
And to
uh,
add to that, when I sent this poster and regarding the tapas, we have received a message from one of our satsangi. Like even they have kept their firm name as tapas, and it was so coincidence. And they texted me back saying that they are going to sure they're going to attend the session, and they have stuck in the reins, so they will watch it.
you- okay, okay. Okay, no problem. Anyway, you are recording it, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
later probably it will get shared, hopefully. Okay. ಸೊ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ನವ್ಲಿನೋ ಕಪಾಲ್ ಬಾತಿನೋ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಥವಾ
ಅದು
ಡಿಪಿನ
screen.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, ಹಂಗೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೇನೋ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಉಸ್ರನ್ನ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಂತಿರೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ತೂಕ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If possible, adopt Namaskar Mudra. सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः One deep breathing, you can gently open your eyes, looking at release. 1 second, I'll just close the door. Okay, namaste. So today's topic, when Swati called me, she said you have to talk about mudras. So Swati, I just want to know, now ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮುದ್ರಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ? ಅವತ್ತೂ ನಾನು ಮುದ್ರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ನಪ್ಪ.
Yes, ma'am.
I just okay. So ಯಾರು ಅವತ್ತು like anybody here in this group who have ಅವತ್ತು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, almost.
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮುದ್ರಾಸ್? ಅವತ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
Ma'am, can you please put this question in English as well? Because some people here also, they speak other languages.
Oh, okay. So what I'm asking is, this is not the first time I'm talking to you people. Since you have already undergone my mudra session, what was the takeaway of my previous session? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಮುದ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದೇ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ? That's what I'm asking. Can you just tell your thoughts on what you had heard from me? Okay, anybody? Come on, let's keep it interactive. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Then there's no point in Swati's energy and so much effort of bringing in a resource person and talking to you. So we need to know what is your requirement, right? ನೀವ್ ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದನ ಅಂತ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೀವ್ ತಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ and you ask, right? So I want you to tell what your requirement is.
I have not
So please.
attended.
Okay, so Janaki Ram ಅವರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, thank you, sir.
So, ma'am, even I am a person where I cannot walk around, and I also practice mudra, like in order to control my anger or in order to balance my physical stress or mental stress, and also to think positive and to bring my breathing techniques as well. I also practice doing mudras, but whatever the positions that I am comfortable with, I can only do that much. So mudras help me out very well. But whatever is possible, I'm able to do that. And if you want to reduce your spine pain, or if you would like to concentrate on your abdomen sections, and there are so many things, like for different ailments you can practice different mudras. But according to me, to lose your weight, or to speak out properly, all these things will be helped by mudras as well. Correct me if I'm wrong.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ? ಸ್ವಾತಿ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು?
Yes, I practice.
Okay, okay. Good. Correct. You are 100% right, Swati. Okay? Yeah. So, anybody else? ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸ್ವಾತಿ, I'm sorry, what are you, Dr. Swati, or how is it? What is your
No, I'm not a doctor. Like I work
okay.
for the School of Ancient Wisdom as
You are in the admin department, is it?
yes.
Okay.
So I practice doing mudras, whichever is possible from my end. So that has helped me a lot, and including the blood circulations as well. Even though I cannot do many physical workouts, at least this mudra has helped me to get a good sleep. To be honest, I get a good sleep if I practice this.
Okay, good. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So anybody else? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ? Anybody wants to say or have listened to me?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ರಮಾಮಣಿ ಅವರೇ.
ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಬಾಬಾ ರಾಮದೇವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ವಾಯು ಮುದ್ರಾ, ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಯು ಮುದ್ರಾ, ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮುದ್ರಾ ತೋ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವೀಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುದ್ರಾಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಷನ್?
Ma'am, at least teach us the basic mudras, like for example, to solve our basic daily life problems. Like if we get, if we are walking too much, and if we are getting a knee joints pain, or any pain in the legs, or any pain on the shoulders, this is what. And is how do it help for a cardiac patients to improve their circulations, or improve their breathing techniques. So just a simple few techniques, if you can explain, and how it helps the body to respond to it.
See, mudra is how to tell. Okay. See, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಅವರೇ, ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಸನ, ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yes.
So this is the concept of mudra. Mudra is like you cannot give this kind of ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಮುದ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವುಗಳು. ಏನೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುದ್ರಾನ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮುದ್ರಾನ ಅಂತ. ಮುದ್ರಾ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಮುದ್ರಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಮುದ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಜೀವನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ದೇಹದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಮುದ್ರಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನ್ ಇದೀನಪ್ಪ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ that it will give to your body, telling that I am there for you, don't worry anta. Okay, so this is the concept of mudra. So ಈಗ I request, ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಇದೀರಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. I want you all to stand up. Is it possible? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗ ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯೋಗ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗ ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಡಿ, ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರೇವತಿ ಅವರೇ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಾಕು, ನನಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ನನ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವ್ ನನಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯು. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಅವರೇ. ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್, I am talking in English also. I want you all to just stand up.
Yeah, but
Is
then
it
the rest of the thing, ma'am, whatever you're saying, we don't understand. I don't understand.
Okay. See, what I meant is, what mudra is a promise given to you saying that don't worry, whatever happens in your body, the mudras will say, I am there for you. This is the concept of mudra. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, I request,
Yeah.
please, can we please continue in English? Because every time it becomes difficult for them to understand as well as to respond. So I would request.
Yeah, sure. Yes, I will continue in English on.
Okay, ma'am.
There is Ivaga. Okay, I want you all to just stand up. Okay, so keep your mobiles there and ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Stand up, join your legs. ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You need to join your legs. Okay, your thumb should be together. Your thumb should be together. Okay, keep both your thumb, ಕಾಲಿನ thumb, not hand thumb. Leg thumb should be together. Your heels should be together. Okay, now touch your hand to the side of your thigh. ತೊಡೆಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಕೈ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. And just close your eyes. Your heels should be together, your toes should be together, everything should be together. Okay, close your eyes and stand. ಜಾನಕಿ ರಾಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, close your eyes.
No, I don't know how to do that, but I will follow whatever you are telling.
No, I'm just asking you to stand, sir. I'm not
No,
asking you.
that I understood. But mobile to keep somewhere and all, I don't know. I'm holding mobile in my hand and doing.
Okay. Sorry, sir. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು
No.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕಿವಿಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay. These are all the limitations of online sessions. Okay. Close your eyes. Try to press your palm to the side of your thigh. And wherever, like suppose you are not able to stand, then sit together, join your heels, join your toes, everything join. Yoga itself is to join. So join everything. Knees together, thighs together, everything together. Okay? Yes. Now slowly take both your hands up and press your palm up. Okay? Yes. Press your palm. Palms na press ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, your hand should be straight. Okay, your hand should be straight. You should not bend your elbow. It should be straight. And you need to press your palm. Okay, yeah. Just close your eyes and stand. Okay, I'll just give 10 counts. Stand like this. Then I'll explain you what mudra is. Okay? Close your eyes and stand. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ. If you are not able to stand, sit and do. But I want you to press your palm. Okay? Yeah. 1. Keep pressing your palm. Not even air should go. ಗಾಳಿನೂ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. Not even air should be in between your palms. You need to press your palm. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly you can release. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೇವತಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೊಬ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ನೀವೊಬ್ರೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ trying to be in this session and listening and doing what I am trying to teach. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, please share your thoughts, Revati ma'am. What did you feel?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಮೊದಲು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮುದ್ರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸುತ್ತೂರು ಏನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು see, you should experience it. See, she experienced, so she got the result. That's why she's talking. She said, I could not listen outside sound. I felt calm. Correct? Now, if you only sit and listen here, talk, what will you get the benefit unless you practice? So there is no point in having, I don't know, but this is how I feel the online sessions ali, or wherever you are. Experiential science it is. Okay, so you need to experience what you are trying to get the session from. Otherwise, sitting and listening to 1,000 lectures will only create stress in your body and not give you any result. Correct? So, what ma'am just did now, first of all, if I make you all, suppose I get an opportunity sometime where I can address all of you offline, and then when I see you, how you stand first, because now I'm not able to see, right? Many of screens are on and people are not able to keep their mobile. Like for example, Janaki Ram sir wants to do, but he is not able to do because he don't know how to keep the mobile. So you first
No, I kept the
balancing.
mobile and stood and pressed the hand, but not more than to the count of 3.
So this is your strength, sir. Understood? This is not just a big asana. I just told Namaskar asana. That simple Namaskar asana, we are not able to press our arm at all. Right? So this shows our strength. First, getting this strengthening of our body, alignment of our body, balancing of our body. All this works under the concept of mudras, asanas, or pranayama, what you take. Okay, so we cannot directly jump in and say, okay, this mudra works for this. This is, no, it's not like that. Like how Swati told, to sit, to stand, for everything it is a mudra only that is working. Now I told, when I come and stand in front of you and I do this, I just come in front of you and I do this. So am I communicating to you or not? Can anybody tell me? I'll come right stand in front of you and I'll say, I'll do this. Am I talking to you?
Very much communicating.
Very correct. Correct. I am communicating to you. It's a non-verbal communication. I don't need 100 words. I don't need volumes, or I don't need big words to talk to you. Just my mudra is talking to you. Correct? So this is the way mudra works in your body. It is an internal communication. It is a silent communication that's happening in your body with different channels. First of all, when you are not able to balance your both body weight properly, how can I teach you mudras? First, everything has a level you need to undergo. Directly, a person doesn't even know, how to say, do this. Can he directly go and learn guitar? No, right? So there is a levels of. So first we need to understand the alignment of our body, balancing of our body, what circulation means. And then you can think of what this mudra works. How does it work? So for me, at this point of time, what I feel is mudra, as Swati clearly told, for anything in your life. Now, okay, let me tell you, I'll give you a demonstration now. All of you, please, wherever you are, just close your eyes and try to swallow your saliva continuously. Close your eyes, sit, stand, walk, I don't know. I don't know how can a yogic session run like this, first of all. That's my big question. When you are in a yogic session you want to attend, you need to give space at least for that 1 hour. If you are not able to be with your body and breath, there is no point in taking an yoga session. You cannot just roam around in the car or go around for walking and say, okay, there is some session, let me sit and listen. What's the point? It's as good as not listening at all. Or for some Swati's effort you have joined, I don't know. No, it might sound harsh, but it's a fact. And that is why this particular domain, what for me, yogic knowledge, is not just vidya. It is not in ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ vidya alla, yoga is a mahavidya, right? But we have not understood the correct essence of what yoga can do to us. That is why we feel, okay, yoga session, something they'll say. That is why it is not working for you, even though you know 100 mudras. Correct? So now, all of you, see, now also, I can see only this iPhone, Meera ma'am. Good, Meera ma'am. I'm very happy just to look at your smile, actually. That is required. That is a yoga in itself. When you don't know how to smile, what is the point of learning 100 asana and 10 pranayama? Right?
You
So
speak
now,
very well. That's what I liked about, really. And it's very straightforward, which is really right.
I am really sorry.
You don't have
but
but what you said is true.
Yes, see, I am giving my time here, my energy here, and Swati has put in a lot of energy just to bring me onto this platform. She has fixed up an appointment. She has taken my time, right? And when we come here as a resource person and try to talk to you, at least if I don't expect, even if there was one person on this platform, I would have given my session. There is no doubt. But I want that one person to at least communicate to me. Otherwise, there's no point people joining 100 or 700 in a session. What is the point? Simply something we will talk, something they will take, and something they will do, and nothing will happen. End of the day, they are still in the hospital and they're still in a physiotherapy center.
One thing I tell you, we say no, nan kai lagala. What does it mean? Everything is in our hand and mudras. That is what it is. Kai lagala is that. your pain, everything because of those things. I think that we should understand.
Yeah, I mean, that's why you are directly ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಸಹಸ್ರಾರ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ. Where will it work?
The
It will not
swallowing
work.
was also not easy.
Huh?
That's a saliva swallowing with the eyes closed,
Ah.
continuously swallowed, not possible.
Not possible. See, sir has already done.
Yes,
Actually, I
yes.
didn't even...
Even I am too doing. It is not that easy.
Who is doing?
Myself, ma'am. Swati.
Swati. Okay. So, what is happening? Why you are not able to swallow your saliva continuously?
Because with eyes closed and you are not practiced, or when you are again with eyes open slightly better.
No. You cannot swallow your saliva continuously because that is the nature.
Oh, okay. That's a good one.
It is not getting produced. That is what is my answer.
Plus, we should not
Continuously
trust the
saliva is not
faculty
coming.
totally. We should go by
Exactly.
nature.
That is what I'm telling. It's a nature. The nature, first of all, we want to have an awareness of what is happening and we want to do 100 things in life.
Very correct. Very true.
So first of all, why is it? Because that gap, that halt is what is that pause is the nature. Understand, you cannot keep on continuously running in your life. That halt, that pause is what is called, you can call it anything, what your belief is. You can call it silence, you can call it kumbhaka, you can call it mudra, you can call what not. Okay, so see, I am not going to disclose the information of mudras unless I personally want you all to see that how you stand first. Without me teaching ABCD, can I teach you letters and poems? I cannot teach. Okay. So this is how I feel that, we need to take this subject, right? Even for example, now in my own karate class, karate class is going on. That karate sir will call people who are in one belt, he will call on one day. For advanced belt, he will call on other day. But what in yoga class happens? First person also come, same asana. 10 years practicing person, same asana. This is where yoga is not taken seriously, right? And what we are trying to, first you need to understand what asana, first not asana, leave asana is next level. Probably you need to come to the 5th level to understand what is asana. First, you need to understand the basic concepts of what a balance can do in your body. What do you mean by an alignment in your body? Because just now when I said sit comfortably. I didn't say sit straight. How can spine be straight? Spine itself is like this. Right? So if your spine is straight, it means you have a problem. So what does straight mean then? When a yoga teacher tells sit straight, what does it mean? Do you know that? Now I am seeing people switching on the screens. Thank you. I would have straightly told Swati. Next time if Swati calls me, Chandana madam, can you just take one more session? I would have said, sorry Swati, I am not the person. I cannot talk to people who are not keen in listening, first of all. When there's no point in me giving even this little information. Now, whatever Revati ma'am has done, if she starts doing what I did for 10 counts, if she does this for 3 minutes in her day, with whatever I have told, with what instructions I gave, actually I have given only 5% of the instructions, Revati aure. If I give you total 100% of the instruction just in standing, what to do? I don't know how to tell. But you don't have to do any jogging, skipping, walking. I will make you sweat in the standing position only. And that is the power of yoga. And where you want to talk about all this? Listening to lectures, listening to big things and say yoga can't do anything? Okay. So,
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I
yes,
did
yes.
that, and then it was like, as you said, like 10 counts, and your counting was very slow, okay? And then it was not like seconds, okay? And then you can feel the pressure in the entire hand and all, but I hold it. I was outside, I just came now. That's why I'm switching on, ma'am. Thank you.
My job is done. So whatever Swati told, whether it is circulation, whether it is whatever she told, it happened in this just 10 counts of mine. Now imagine if you stand for 3 minutes, then just this simple. Okay, so this is where we go wrong. And today, okay, let's not go into deviate the topic. This is what. So what I meant, this pause in your life is very, very important for you to understand that what's happening in your internal system. Okay. So, and that you can coin it anything. It can be a silent. Just if you just close your eyes now, all of you, and just do the breathing. Just close your eyes and do breathing. And after 1 minute, I will tell you, then you open your eyes. Till then, don't open your eyes. Just do normal. Just close your eyes and sit. Just close your eyes and sit for 1 minute. I'll come and, I'll be here only. After 1 minute, I'll talk to you. Just close your eyes and sit. Okay, gently open your eyes. Okay. Can someone tell me what happened? Because I don't know. You closed your eyes. What happened?
To be honest, I was thinking why I could not swallow saliva 6 times, 7 times. That was the only thought which was coming in my mind. I could not do. Probably that was my fault. No, Janki Ram sir also could not do. Oh, then I am correct. I'm normal. All these thoughts were coming. I could
No,
not swallow.
Swati. No, you cannot swallow. That is nature. That's what I
Yes,
told you.
yes.
See, suppose I take a string, I pull it and I leave it. Do you think it comes back immediately?
No. Then I was
No.
observing the process. Like, okay, this minute things even we haven't observed. This is the very, very minute things. Yes.
Life is very minute. Don't we take it so big, right? In front of nature, you are only this much. And we
Exactly.
think, oh, we are humans. I know that. I know this. Only ego. And then finally you are in the hospital. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Now I want anybody, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. You should tell me what happened when you closed your eyes. Yes, Meera ma'am. You raised your hand. You have to unmute and talk.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
Yeah. I was listening to, I was aware of the surroundings. The clock was ticking and the scooters were going back and forth. But I was within myself, I could just concentrate on my breathing and I was calm. That's it. But I was aware of my surroundings.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. See, ma'am told that, right? What did I give an instruction? Close your eyes and sit. That's all, right? I never told observe your breath, nothing. But automatically, involuntarily, your focus goes on your breath. Right or wrong? When the eyes are open, it will not happen.
No, you're right.
But when you close your eyes without me telling inhale, exhale, that is all, nothing required. We have seen few yoga teachers. Close your eyes, inhale. What inhale? How will you know when they close their eyes if they are exhaling? Just tell close your eyes. They will do what inhale, exhale, they will do. Correct? Yeah. And few people even in meditation sessions, what do you know? They're sleeping or they're meditating?
You don't know.
I will not know, right? Unnecessarily, I'm giving 100 instructions. All my energy waste. Okay. So, naturally, when you close your eyes, your mind drifts into your breath. And now do this. Now close your eyes and observe your breath for 1 minute, all of you. And then you should give me answer. Without you giving me answer, there's no point in me teaching. Okay? So please close your eyes and observe your breath now, and you should tell me what happened to your breath. Okay. Yeah. Slowly you can release and let me know what did you observe in your breathing.
Breath we could control, and initially it was short. You can make it long or short, and you are able to observe what is happening to your breath.
Yeah. What is that observation, sir? That is what I'm asking.
No, that is hot air coming in, then going out, and then thoughts became less. There were not much thoughts when you are concentrating on breath. And
No,
I made
correct.
it long breath sometimes and short breath sometimes.
So very simple, no, sir? Very simple thing to reduce thoughts. Just you have to close your eyes and sit. And you're looking around for 100 number of courses to reduce thoughts.
Not when Reels and Netflix is there.
Huh? What happened?
No, close your eyes and sit with Netflix is there and the Reels are there on Facebook. Distractions, I mean, distraction.
No.
Close your eyes,
See,
no distraction.
I said close your eyes. Now, whether you are in front of Netflix, whether you are in front of Reels, I don't know. Okay. So, see, actually, if you have observed, when you inhale and before you exhale, there is a state of silence in your breath. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, now we are telling us. I wanted that observation. Why you could not tell that? We are not observant, first of all. Okay? So this state of silence, what exists, can be enhanced. Now, at this point of time, I don't know what fraction of second your silence is. It might be for a fraction of second, but that state of silence can be enhanced in your breath through yogic practices. Okay? And that is the, what do you say, the miracles that you will see in yoga. Okay? So this is a, yeah, Meera ma'am, you're,
I said, are you talking about the breath work?
yeah, I mean, that silence which exists in your breath, that halt that is there in your body, that is the best time, that pause what exists in everything. So what I meant is there is a pause in your breath. There is a pause in the mechanism that is happening internally in the body. Okay? So unless you give that pause, system cannot work.
Mm-hmm. Chandana, I did Ho'oponopono and I was, I was practicing. And in that, they say, when you hold, when you inhale, you hold. And then you release, then again hold, then again inhale. So maybe is that the silence that you're talking about?
I didn't say any hold. Inhale, exhale only. Right? There is no hold. That is your way. That is what I'm saying. Different school forms, different kind of preachings. All confusion and doing wrongly. Okay? Increasing, as Sir said, as you go, there has to be a silence within the breath, actually. Okay, that's a very advanced level concept. I cannot just tell, okay, how to go to and observe what is happening behind the breath. You are still in the breath. So first understand your breath. Then I will teach you what is there behind the breath. Okay? So, see, this is how an yoga session should be, right? You just switch on your cameras and sit and somebody is listening, talking. What is the point? So you need to interact. Understanding your own self is yoga, actually. Understanding your breath, understanding your body, right? Respecting your body. Because unless you respect your body, who can do it? We are ready to do 100 things for 100 people, but not bothered about our own body. How many people could stand now? I just join your heels and stand. No. Then joining palms, we are not able to do. So unless we bring in this kind of an alignment process, then whatever you do next is of no use. Okay? So for me, this mudra session, what I wanted to tell for this particular level of currently your understanding, I would only say mudra is something like a promise that you have, which will say, I am with you. Now, this is the promise I am giving to all of you. Chandana is with you. Now it's up to you to take inputs from me. Right? When you go to a doctor, what will doctor say? Doctor will keep on talking, is it? He'll say, what happened? You will talk. Doctor, I have pain here. Oh, then he will touch here. No, doctor, here. You are telling. right? So next time, Swati, take their requirements and ask me for session, what they want. If they don't know what they want, what is the point of me telling what you want?
So
So
it should be an in-person session. I think that is more beneficial.
yes, that is what I meant. You know, all these online and all is really not.
No, some of
go-
them don't work online, because even my daughter does this healing and all that, with the gong, and so even that is online is okay for a lecture, as you said, but for a experiential, you need a in-house, I think.
Yes, online works where to understand the concept. Okay, chalo, this is there. This
Correct.
what is exactly is present, existing. But at least some people doesn't know, oh, this exists.
Yes.
Actually, even I too don't know certain techniques. Oh, this is existing. I
Yes.
was not aware. When I started approaching people, then only I got to know, oh, okay, these are the sessions.
Yes.
At least to understand that basic concept, somehow it connects. That's what I mean.
I think this is the beginning, as Swati.
Yes.
Yes, correct, Swati.
Anyway, we had a
Okay, so
very tough and practical teacher.
no, see, I don't know about other topics, other lectures, what you understand. Yoga cannot be a lecture.
Fully agree.
If you don't,
Upanishad
it's
can be a
Exactly.
lecture,
Agreed.
not yoga.
exactly like you can't come and ask me, okay, ma'am, I'm a yoga therapist. Ma'am, give us an online session for yoga. What will I do? They are not screening, they're switching on their cameras, they don't know how to stand, they don't know where to keep what. What will we do? It's a way, it's both ways, it's waste of time, right? So that is why we say yoga is an experiential science. You need to have an experience. And there is a saying, don't deny my experience with your inexperience. Please try to experience. Okay, so you cannot what I am experiencing. Oh, Chandana madam, what all of you experience the same thing, correct? Now whatever Revati ma'am did, the same thing Ramamani ma'am also did, and the same experience. That is yoga, and that is science. Now, when you take a tablet, a diabetic tablet, right? Everything, it's the same thing that has to work. So that is yoga. Yoga also does the same thing, if you understand. So what I tell you, it should work same for all of you. Okay, I think we are 7:32.
So if you are asking what people need, they should how to tell. You should give some example, because people are like, I don't know what I need to tell in an online session. Physical session is okay. Online session, how can I tell what I need?
Sir,
Yoga,
what do you
particularly
mean?
yoga, I am telling. I want to
See,
know
that
what
is
is the silence between breathing. Now, since you told me, I can tell that. Can it be done in online session? No.
That is why, so you approach Swati, and if you are interested, take up an offline session and get it done.
That's right.
Okay,
That is
so
clear.
yeah, so Swati will not come and ask you. You go to Swati. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you all are interested now, even if 10-15 people, yeah, I think minimum crowd should be at least 15 or 20 people. 1%, 2% and all, we cannot to School of Ancient Wisdom and give you a demo on yoga. Right? Minimum some requirement should be there. At least 20 people, if they get registered, then we can teach them a basic balancing technique first, which will do wonders for you. Okay? Yeah, this is what I have to at this point of time.
But
And
this will be a diverse age group also.
Sir, you can bring from 6 years to 90 years, sir.
Okay. Clear.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chandana.
Yes, ma'am.
The mudras and this yoga, I mean, how do you connect that is what my question is, because it says about mudras, and so how do you connect that?
No, this is a part, it falls under the umbrella of yoga, ma'am. As I told you, yoga is a Mahavidya.
Yeah.
So you have different verticals in yoga, right? You have asana, pranayama, mudra, trataka. So one of the vertical is mudra.
Okay. Okay. Done. Got it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for people who really switched on the cameras. Okay, thank you so much. And I would expect your sincere feedback or a review from your end. That is all my expectation, because we have given our energy and time to you. We expect something back from you. What you genuinely felt about this 30 minutes or 40 minutes of what you listened to me or what you understood about this session. We want a genuine feedback, either in the form of a writing, or if you can make a voice note or a video note or anything in that context. Okay, only then based on that, I would also take a call of addressing next with the audience of Ancient School of Wisdom. Okay.
Sure, and this
Otherwise,
will be
yeah,
a recorded session, and even you can comment it on the YouTube also, the comment section. And to be honest, this was a wake-up call for everyone. So it is not just a lecture to participate ourselves.
Sorry, Swati, before you could conclude,
Yes,
can I
sir,
ask
please.
one last question,
Please,
Chandana madam?
Please, sir.
No, you need to switch on your camera if you want to ask. Otherwise, it's okay, sir.
I'm in Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore. So
Okay.
Sir,
the
wherever.
650 was,
Sir,
I couldn't
it's
so to
okay.
see.
It's okay. At least we can also see, all of us can see that in Isha. Show us also, sir. Come on.
It's pretty night, madam. I cannot show you. It's so night, so that's the
Okay.
reason.
Okay. I'm happy to see you. Tell me,
Yeah,
Haley, Arun.
see, madam, you said breath, just I have one small doubt, being a novice into the yogic practice. How a child grows in the womb without breathing. And once the child is out of the womb, once we cut the umbilical cord, and breath becomes so inevitable without which you cannot survive.
Yes.
Yeah, because the child is holding a mudra.
So if you hold a mudra, you need not to breathe, and you can
No.
do that.
No, first of all, how do you know the child is not breathing in the womb?
Being a doctor, you should be knowing better than me, no, doctor? Like there is no passage.
No, sir, I am not any MBBS
Sir,
doctor.
she is not
sir.
a medical doctor. She is a PhD doctor.
Okay, because first when introducing, she said you have to open up with a doctor. So I thought she's an MBBS.
So she
No,
said
that's
that
fine. Otherwise,
when you
as a
go to
layman,
doctor, you
okay,
have
that's
to
fine.
tell.
That is a different topic altogether. Let us not,
Yeah.
divert the topic, because there is no passage for the fetus or for the child to breathe in the womb, because it is filled with so much fluid and the flesh. Okay, so I doubt if there is any, and moreover, the nostril is not open through which mouth or nostril it has to breathe, right, madam? So there is no, that is what is my understanding about it.
Okay, sir, I'm sorry. I have no idea about this because I
Wonderful
still don't
answer,
know.
madam. I like
Life
it.
is
That's fine.
different to
That's really
breathing. We
fine.
should understand that.
Rather than beating around the bush, like you are so
Yeah,
brave.
because
Arun Kulkarni, you know,
Yeah,
life
Janaki
is
Ram
different to
is,
breathing.
pardon me, Rajan.
Life, divine energy is different to
Doctor,
breathing.
Janaki Ram, that is not my question. So
Yeah,
again,
that
you
is
don't
how
take
the
it.
child is living, because it is by
That is
divine
right.
energy.
But my question was very specific to the breath.
That's what I'm telling. Breathing is not required for living.
Ah.
Divine energy is supporting the child.
So once it comes out, then divine energy is gone.
Sir, to be
No,
honest,
divine
I
energy
can give the
continues,
scientific
but then you
explanation.
become manifested this thing. What we'll discuss when we meet.
Swati has something to say. Swati?
Yeah, Swati. Yeah, Swati.
So the scientific explanation goes like this. Baby is surrounded by amniotic fluid in the womb.
Correct.
And baby's lungs are filled with this fluid and remain undeveloped for breathing.
Okay.
Instead of breathing, baby gets oxygen, nutrients through the umbilical cord.
Correct.
Yes, which is connected to mother's placenta.
Correct.
The mother breathes and oxygen from her blood passes into the placenta.
Where
Then
the
through the umbilical
carbon
cord
dioxide
into
goes
the
there.
baby's blood.
Yeah, that I got it. When we inhale oxygen, we have to exhale also, right?
Yeah, similarly, carbon dioxide and waste from the baby pass back through the umbilical cord into the mother's blood, which she exhales naturally.
Okay. But you mean to
I'm
say the baby is
sorry,
breathing?
please correct me. What I know, I have expressed.
No, that's
No.
really a good attempt, like
I
I
think
don't.
no, what Swati said makes a lot of sense.
Who said I'm not? I said it's
No,
not
sir,
making sense.
I what I know, I just expressed, but
Yeah,
correct me if I'm
it
wrong.
really makes sense, madam. What you have said is really, it is, yeah, I can accept it. It can be like that. It can be like that. I'm no way disputing it. My urge, kind of a jigyasa, without breath, can a human being survive?
And even I
Some
didn't
people say
even
yes.
thought about this. This
I think we are
question didn't
deviating
come.
from the session. We should allow the platform to the speaker.
Yes.
Speaker has
Ma'am is
given me the
raising
right
her
to
hand.
talk to Swati. That don't worry, Jankiram.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am, please unmute. Ma'am, please unmute and talk.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, that's what I was about to tell. When Arun sir asked me the question, I clearly told I don't know. So the discussion has to stop there.
Yes.
Okay. So it should not, otherwise my time is getting diverted. It's already 7:40. Okay.
Sorry,
and my
doctor.
session.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you.
opportunity to ask me, allowed me to ask a question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I am not an MBBS doctor, so I
Chandana,
have...
madam, we all know IST stands for what? Indian Stretchable Time. It is not Indian Standard Time any time. No, it is Indian Stretchable Time. So sorry for taking your time.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, we'll close this session. Yeah. So this is what I had to say about mudras and thing. And I am a doctor who has done PhD in Agnihotra. Okay, so I am what do you say? Agnihotra doctor. So soon I will be launching my Agnihotra clinic. Okay, so if you all want, through Agni, because we all know anything in the body or anything is Agni is the king. Okay, so with that, sometime if we get an opportunity, we'll discuss that too. So thank you, Swati. Thank you for approaching me, and whatever I tried my little thing to share with all of you. And if you all have felt good, kindly share your reviews and feedback about this session. Okay. And yeah, see you all soon. So we'll close the session with Shanti Mantra.
You made us think a great contribution also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, we'll close it with Shanti Mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः With one deep breathing, you can gently open your eyes looking at it. Hari Om. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Swati.
You so
thank
much,
you.
ma'am. You did my job for the day. So
Yeah, thank you.
lastly, I would like to give a thank you note saying this. On behalf of everyone present, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected speaker for sharing such valuable insights with us today. And your words have enlightened, and it's not enlightened, like inspired us to observe minute things. And a sincere thanks to all the participants whose presence and support made this session really meaningful. Thank you all once again. Thank you so much.